Hello students, today we will learn practice set 1 of class 7th maths. Now see what is the question given? Draw angles of the measures given below and draw their bisectors. So first we have to draw the angles and then draw their bisectors. Now what do you mean by bisector? An angle bisector is a ray that divides an angle into two equal angles. So we have to draw the angle bisector. So first we will start with the first sum. What is given? See, first we have to draw angle of 105 degree and then draw its bisector. So to start with, first we will draw a ray. So we will use a ruler to draw a ray of any measure. Let us draw a ray. Now mark this as point B and point C. You can give any name to this ray. Now we have to draw 105 degree. Now you can see 105 is an obtuse angle triangle since it is greater than 90 degree. So first we will draw 105 degree. You will use a compass, keep it on point B and mark 105 degree. 105 will come between 100 and 110. So mark this point, join this line. So this is our angle, mark this as point A. So this angle is 105 degree measure. Angle ABC is of measure 105 degree. Now we have to draw angle bisector of this angle. So what you will do, you will use a compass, take any measure, keep it on vertex of the angle. Now what is vertex of the angle ABC? See, angle ABC vertex is B. So keep it on this vertex B, draw an arc cutting both the arms of the angle. See, this one arm is AB, one arm is BC. So you have to draw an arc cutting both the arms of the circle. We have drawn this. Now with any width you can change this, or with any width, same width also you can take. Now draw an arc keeping on the first point of intersection. So we'll draw an arc keeping on the first point of intersection. Now you should not change the width of the compass. This should be same. Keep on the second point of intersection and cut this previous arc. So we got these arcs. Now what is the point of intersection of this arc? This is point. Now join this point and the vertex B. So this line is angle bisector of angle ABC. You can mark this as point D. So your line ray BD is angle bisector of angle ABC. Now similarly we will do second sum. What is given? Angle 55 degree. So first you will draw a ray of any measure. Let us draw a ray of any measure. Mark this as point Y and Z. Now you will draw angle of 55 degree measure. So keep it on point Y. Now 55 means it will come between 50 and 60. So mark between 50 and 60. Now draw an angle. Join this line. So this is angle of measure 55 degree. Mark this as point X. So here XYZ is an angle of 55 degree. Now using a compass with any measure, you keep it on point Y, which is the vertex of the angle. Now draw an arc intersecting both the arms of the angle. Now keep it on first point of intersection. Draw an arc. Keep it on second point of intersection. Draw an arc. Now point of intersection of these two arcs and vertex. Join the line, so you will get angle bisector of the angle XYZ. Similarly, we'll draw for third sum, that is 90 degree. Draw a ray of any measure. Mark this as point QR. Now using a compass, you will draw an angle of measure 90 degree. Keep it on point Q. Mark 90 degree. Now draw an angle of measure 90 degree. So this is your 90 degree. Now using a compass, keep it on vertex Q. Draw an arc intersecting both the arms of the circle. Let us mark this as point P. Now keep it on first point of intersection. Draw an arc. Second point of intersection. Cut the previous arc. Now join vertex and point of intersection of both the arcs. So let us mark this as point S. So your QS is angle bisector of angle PQR. So today we have learned to draw bisectors of the angles of given measure.